Hello guys! Today we will continue to learn 100 most popular and common nouns in English. This is our sixth part. If by any chance you haven't learned yet or forgot first 50 words, please follow the link and catch up. And our list of words for today is house, father, friend, game, kind, hour, head, side, service, power. Now I'm going to pronounce each word and give you some example phrases and sentences where you can use these words. So please listen carefully and repeat after me. Word 1. House, house, house. This is my house. This is my house. This word you know already. Family, family. And here is mother, mother. So word number 2 is father, father, father. My father is tall. My father is tall. Word number 3. Friend, friend, friend. Friends, friends, friends. My friends are good people. My friends are good people. Word 4. Game, game, game. This is my favorite game. This is my favorite game. Word 5. Kind, kind, kind. There are a lot of kinds of games. There are a lot of kinds of games. For example, computer game, computer game. Chess, chess. Billiard, billiard. Tic-tac-toe, tic-tac-toe. Word 6 is hour, hour, hour. 1 hour is 60 minutes. One hour is 60 minutes. Word 7. Head, head, head. This is a dog's head. This is a dog's head. Car, car, car. Word 8 is side, side, side. This side is left. This side is left. This side is right. This side is right. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Is this a right side mirror? Is this a right side mirror? Is this a left side mirror? Is this a left side mirror? Word 9. Service, service, service. I like this car service. I like this car service. And the last word. Power, power, power. Power of the ocean. Power of the ocean. The power of the ocean is incredible. The power of the ocean is incredible. Now let's have some practice to memorize these words easy and fast. Exercise 1. Listen and repeat. House, side, head, hour, father, power, service, kind, game, friend. Exercise 2. Try it by yourself. Look at the pictures and name them. House, side, head, hour, father, power, service, kind, game, friend. Exercise 3. Match. Find a correct picture for each word. So here we have the answers. Service, house, head, father, and game. And the second part. Look carefully and find the correct picture for each word. So here we have the answers. Power, side, kind, hour, and friend. The last exercise. You need here to guess the words. Let's check together. Power, service, kind, game, friend, house, side, head, our, father. And the homework for today will be to make your own sentences with these words. Don't forget to share this lesson with your friends and family. And save this video to rewatch it later, as practice makes perfect. That's all for today, and I hope to see you in my other lessons. See you soon, guys. Take care.